What is going on, Drive in Dollars peeps? Francis is back at home doing my walks. Haven't been walking with you guys too much as of late. Trying to get my steps in, trying to get shredded. You know, I'm getting kind of tubby. There used to be more lines here, definitely more lines in the stomach. And now it's just pudge, man, just straight pudge. But anyway, it's not a fitness channel. It's a finance channel. Stocks, real estate. That's what we're talking about. So, in terms of all that, guys, the day of reckoning has finally come. Hopefully you guys can see me. I know the sun is behind me. I do my best to cover it up, but the day of reckoning has finally come. I was not looking forward to today, and you guys can see the title of the video. I had to sell a bunch of my stocks. And why? Why did I know this day was coming? Because I have to wire my cash to close and down payment for the brand new house. So for you guys who have been closely following the Drive in Dollars channel, the devout fans, the few of you, we're at like 200-ish subscribers, just under 200. And for those of you guys who have been following diligently, shout out to you guys. You guys are the best. You guys know that I have been buying a new house. I am in the process of turning my current house into a rental property, and I'm buying a new build house in a nicer part of my town with really good appreciation possibilities and a really good deal, because I struck a deal with a home builder to have a really low cash to close. Essentially, all closing costs were covered. Only the down payment is what I needed to put in cash-wise to the property. And you know, it's just a fantastic part of town and so much growth potential. It's freaking awesome, absolutely legendary. And so, and if you guys didn't know, I also have a third property, which is another external rental property. So I'll have, at the end of all of this, I'll have 2 rental properties and the 1 new primary residence with awesome appreciation possibilities. Especially with the upcoming interest rate cuts, like real estate prices are just gonna go up once all the people who have been waiting for this cut come back into the real estate market and finally pull a trigger on a new home. Ooh, essentially demand's gonna go up. But had to sell about $15,500 worth of stocks. Now I'll put in the screen right here a screenshot of all the stocks that I had to sell. Essentially, I tried to keep the spread relatively even while also taking into account which risk-reward ratios I wanted to give up, as well as which ones had the lowest 2x potential. You know, I mean, it's like picking a favorite between your kids. Like, all of the stocks on the list that you guys see, as well as all the stocks I have in my portfolio, all have, in my eyes, 2x or greater potential, right? And so, believe me, I am not saying that any of the stocks on the list that I'm showing you guys is a sell. They are all buys, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. You guys do your own stock research and make your own financial decisions. I am not a professional, nor do I claim to be, right? I'm just some dude on YouTube telling you guys all my financial moves and having you guys follow my journey. But all of these stocks were a buy, and so it's just absolutely painful to sell any of them. So you guys see the list. And I've talked about the majority, if not all of the stocks that I have on this list. And so you guys tell me what you think about these sells. I already know I'm gonna get flamed because people don't understand the context of what I just said. I said I had to sell them to buy the house. I am not selling them because they're sells. Doesn't matter how many times I say that on this video, somebody's gonna be like, why did you sell Meta? Why did you sell Palantir? Why did you sell? I'm gonna say it again for the last time. I had to sell it to close on the house. Now, for all of us stock investors that were kind of on this channel who's watching this, right? The reason why we stock invest, I'm sure for the majority, is to have a better life for ourselves and those that we care about, right? And also, we invest to make more money. And then we make that money to further make our lives better. And part of that is having a nicer home in a quieter, safer, and more, how would you say, wholesome part of town, right? Now, the place I live is okay, it's nice, it's central to town. I'm right next to that marina that you guys have seldom seen me walk, you know, get my steps at. So it's really nice. I'm near water, but it's loud. It's a relatively lower income area, you know, more working class. But the place where I'm going, it's essentially the newest part of town with the best appreciation right now in my city, and I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous, guys. I mean, you guys saw the videos. I mean, it's not a mansion, it's not some kind of dream home, but it is aspirational. I mean, for me at 27 years old to have 2 other properties and have this be my primary residence, I mean, man, it's absolutely magical in my opinion. You know, it's how I feel about it. Let me put you guys right here so I can kind of talk and not be out of breath. But man, I look kind of dark. What, do I face this way so you guys can see me? Yeah, there we go. But yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna be absolutely awesome to build out the house. Now, if you guys haven't seen the house yet, I posted a tour video where I tour you guys through the house. Now, I haven't closed on the house yet, but you'll guys see on that video the kind of the build, the layout, bathrooms, bedrooms, the carpet, countertops, all that stuff. And so, yeah, thank you guys for following along this journey. And like I said, it was kind of the day of reckoning for me. I've been kind of working diligently the last, let's say, month or so that I've been in escrow for this house, trying to make the best financial decisions I can make stock investing wise, and it's absolutely paid off. I'll put a screenshot right now. We got one last all-time high today, up above $148,000 plus, almost kissing that $150,000 mark. Right before I had to sell it all. And so I even texted Lily. I was like, here's one last all-time high before I sell all the stocks and transfer all the funds out, which will take a couple days to clear. But it's like we won't be seeing these numbers for a while. Now, we sold all the stocks, $15,000 worth, right? And so that account's essentially going to be down to what, 130,000, 133,000, something like that. Now, the new game after, you know, get the house settled, buy all the new furniture, get the landscaping done. Now, challenge for me, and I told this to Lily, challenge for me. Essentially, I'm expecting to be settled in the house by the end of September. I have October, November, December. Maybe a little bit of September. Half of September, October, November, December. About 3.5 months. I am gonna try to get my account back up to 148K, if not 150K. 150K by the end of 2025. That would be amazing, because that means for me, my accomplishments for 2025 would be, I got rolling on my new career, I got rolling on my second per diem job. I taught as a professor, which by the way, I don't teach as a professor anymore. So now I'm only down to 2.5 jobs-ish. It used to be like 3-4 jobs. Now I'm down to 2.5, which is still keeping my hands pretty full in terms of time-wise. Still working 6 to 7 days a week. But I digress. So yeah, 2025 accomplishments. Main career, rocking hard. Not side business, but per diem job, rocking. Taught as a professor at the highest level, which is awesome. I got my 3rd property, which is like a lifetime achievement for me. Boom, 3rd property done, 2025. And then to get my account, my stock account to 150K this year, man, that would be absolutely amazing. That would be cause for celebration for a very, very successful 2025. Now, I hope you guys out there are chasing your dreams, and hopefully at the end of the year, you know, you still got August, September, October, November, December left right now. 5 months. You guys watching this still have 5 months left in 2025. If you guys aren't chasing your dreams or en route to hit all your goals for the year, you got plenty of time, guys. 5 months is plenty of time to make your freaking dreams come true. And so, let's get it, man. I'm gonna push, even though I've already accomplished a good amount for 2025. I got one last goal to check off the box, slice that thing in the throat, and I hope you guys are kind of coming at it the same way too. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys following the channel and following the journey. Quick ask for you guys. I never ask, but I'm gonna ask you guys because I work 7 days a week. I'm handling my stock portfolio. I'm handling my relationship, my family, sometimes even having a vacation if I'm lucky enough. And through it all, I'm still finding the time to make these videos and update you guys and hopefully inspire some of you guys. So as a little bit of a give back, all I ask is for you guys to like the video and subscribe. I want to get to 250 subscribers. We're just about to kiss 200, but I want to get to 250. That would be absolutely amazing. And to get a video with like 10 likes. It's so easy. I just want 10 likes in this video. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Time for the outro, which you guys have heard every single time. For you guys who are new, welcome to the channel and welcome to this outro. Always do your due diligence. empower yourself to make more, educate yourself, and for all the long time watchers, and by long time I mean 2 months, you already know what's coming next. Together, guys, let's make this money.